I had to actually move to get the mindset of being rich, of being financially stable, of being a millionaire. What's wrong with it? I had to move to actually be around some millionaires, to actually see people who can afford to lease these $500,000, $150,000, $250,000 vehicles, you know what I'm saying, and live in these nice homes, to be able to know that this shit is possible. You see what I'm saying? But if you around people who can't think like that, it's gonna be hard, because everything you get, every time you try to hustle, they're gonna try to get it from you, or they're gonna feel like, or you try to introduce it to them like, hey, let's get this bag, man, I got an idea. They won't do it because they don't want the risk. You see what I'm saying? You know, it's the risk. You know, they'll rather, oh, well, I can go punch this clock, or I know I can flip this here real quick and I can get this. But this business thing, I don't know about planting seeds and walking off and letting letting nature do its thing and coming back and like, okay, we got some vegetables now, we can eat. Man, hey, let me tell you something. I'm gonna keep it real with you, man, this morning. Man, you got to leave the area. It is what it is. I mean, if you're in a spot where your community or the people that you are hanging with are keeping you from growing mentally, so that way you can jump over this next hurdle in your life, hey, get from around them. You know what I mean? And I ain't gonna lie to you, you know, you're gonna have some lonely times where you're gonna be standing alone. But that's life, though. I mean, to me, I think your alone time is what creates you and develops you into this, you know, into your purpose, into who you are as you grow as a man. So, you know, it's fine, you know what I mean? But if you thinking big, that's cool. Think big, so that way you can impress others to think big. And that's what I want to do. Coming from where I'm from, if I make it, if I do it, regardless if a person can say whatever they want to say about me, one thing is a fact: he made it.